Hello everyone and welcome to another Tom Voyage video. In today's video I want to do a quick product review on a couple of things that have turned up this week for the Ooni. First off, we have these dough boxes that came this week. Now these are available from Ooni and other companies do them as well, but actually on first impressions I thought they were going to be a lot bigger than what they are. And it turns out each one can hold 6 dough balls. There's 2 here. Now, as you can probably tell, they're very robust. They're made out of nice high quality plastic here. But one thing I really like about these is that they fit into the fridge. Like if you can see how wide that is and how tall it is, that fits perfectly into the fridge, no problem. Previously, I always used to proof my dough balls on a baking tray covered in cling film. Now, although that's good, using a lot of cling film and it always used to stick, even if I used oil. Now with these, I was a little bit worried that they might dry out because this is just rested on, it doesn't actually click in. But these have been proven for 24 hours now, and as you can see, they look absolutely incredible. They're not dry at all, they're nice and moist, and very soon we'll be cooking on the Ooni, as you can see. So in here I've got 5 dough balls. These are 200 gram dough balls, so they're actually quite big. And you get another stacked layer on top. But if you wanted to do a smaller dough ball, you could easily fit 6 into there. Even though you get 2 trays, it does only come with 1 lid. So bear that in mind if you were thinking that it did come with a lid each, and you could store them separately if they are designed to stack one on top of the other. But overall, the dough trays, I'm really pleased with them. I mean, it's the first time I've used them and I've not yet cooked the pizzas that are in there, but I'm very, very impressed with the overall quality and how the dough has turned out from a 24-hour proof. So alongside the dough trays, I also bought this Ooni brush. Now, when I saw it on the website, I thought this brush was going to be about this size, but as you can tell, I mean, you could kill a burglar with this. It's like huge, but bear in mind, it does need to reach the back of the oven, so it is worth having a long one, but it feels really nice quality. It's made out of bamboo. You've got an Ooni logo on it there, a scraper here, and a nice set of bristles to help brush the stone down. The reason I bought this was I kept having a problem with the Karoo where the semolina or the corn flour or just the flour that you would use on the base in between cooks would ignite and just start flaring up and there'd be fire pouring out of it. Perhaps I'm using too much. I'm not really sure. Maybe comment in the section below if you ever get that problem, or if you think there's any reason why that might be happening to me. But really, yeah, using this between pizzas, I can now brush the stone down and make sure it's nice and clean, so we're not going to get that problem moving forwards. Hopefully you've learned a little bit more about these products, especially if you were thinking on buying them, and it's helped make your choice. But now there's only one thing left to do. Is to get cooking these dough balls. Thanks very much. Hello everyone. Well, I just wanted to give a bit of an update on the video that you just seen. I recorded that a couple of days ago, and since then I've posted an image of these dough trays on Facebook, and it's come to light something quite interesting. These trays are actually available elsewhere, not from Ooni, for a lot cheaper. I mean, if we're just looking online now, you can buy these trays directly from the manufacturer, somewhere called Solent Plastics, and it's looking like they're about £4.50 each. Just for the tray, you buy them all separately. But looking at that means I spent £29.99 on these, and you could get exactly the same trays from this website for £11.10p, meaning I've spent £18.89 more just to buy them from Ooni. I mean, I know fully it's my own fault. I should have done the research, but it still hurts, you know, and I'm still upset that Ooni would do something like that. They seem like quite a good company, and I feel like I've been ripped off really on them. That said, I still really like the trays. They do serve a purpose. They have worked well for me. I think it's too late for me to return them now, but hopefully by seeing this video, you guys might be able to save yourselves a bit of money. As always guys, thanks for watching this video. Please remember to like and subscribe. I'll also put the link to this Solent Plastics place where you can buy these trays for cheaper in the description below. Thanks very much.